In this video, I'm going to show you how to type the special X character on an Android keyboard. So the easiest way that I have found to do this is opening up your X social media account. I have went to Elon Musk's profile because I know he would type this character in a lot of posts. When I found the character, all I have to do is hold on to the X, copy it, then go back to my home screen to create a new post and simply just paste the X into my post. That is the easiest way that I have found to type this special character on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.